Right, I've reprinted the same design with a few minor changes. I've printed it that way round so that the filament layers go that way instead of that way. Still means there'll be a weak spot on the join there, so I've put an extra fillet in there to try and strengthen that. But it should be stronger in that direction. So this is version 2, virtually identical to version 1, except I printed it with the bed there, so laying flat that way round instead of up that way. So the layers go across this way, which means there might be a weak point here, but certainly not a weak point across there. And because I printed it that way round, we had to have a bit of fill or support just there. That's where the clamp on the tripod goes. Might have to clean that out a little bit. Open that out a bit too much. A rough edge at the top there. Okay. Okay, well, we'll try the camera on that. Well, this is where it broke yesterday when I tried to pull it apart. No, stayed in one piece this time. Right, that looks good. So at the moment, we'll call that job done. Try and get the angle right. Yeah. There you go, you can see it now. So there we are, in position. I may still put a bit of foam along the bottom, although that's to protect your phone normally, and this phone is protected by the case it's in, so that shouldn't be a problem. We shouldn't need foam to hold it in place. Cool. It's a bit tight though. Yeah. And that clips in there. I haven't got it done up very tightly. That's the idea, quick release. And it is the same as that, it's just that it's got the quick release pad, whatever you want to call it, already moulded straight into the bottom, so we don't have to screw it in. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.